Frustrated with the libcrypto-3-x64.dll pop-up blocking OpenSSL project? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. Before starting the detailed libcrypto-3-x64 fix, check the description for a professional tool to help align your library paths. This is the libcrypto-3-x64, the 64-bit implementation of the OpenSSL cryptographic core. It handles complex mathematical operations for public key encryption, hashing, SHA-3, and localized certificate verification. If missing, modern 64-bit applications like VPNs or secure sync tools will report an SSL library load failure, as they cannot establish a secure TLS handshake. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. libcrypto-3-x64 serves as a critical internal bridge for OpenSSL Project features, and you should download the latest version of your host program where you encountered the error to replace any truncated or damaged binaries to resolve the launch error. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including libcrypto-3-x64, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Safety first, never attempt to replace libcrypto-3-x64.dll with files found on random download portals. These sites lack quality control and often distribute files that are incompatible with modern Windows updates. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. The repair utility linked in the description provides structured information on managing libcrypto-3-x64 and system health. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored libcrypto-3-x64 functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support